Hello viewers, we are back again with another interesting video. Let's admit Anime Stranders has an old age romantic block device that works every time. It is so delectably satisfying watching a couple who fuss and quite slowly realize what was in front of them. All along, here we bring you a list of top 10 best love to hate relationship drama series that you must watch. Number 10, Brave and Beautiful. In the story, you will explore a love between two different persons who are just tough and to be together. Casey returns to his father's village with an elaborate plan to avenge the death of his father. The only thing he has not planned for this is Sohan, the daughter of the man he believes is responsible for his father's death. The moment he steps in, he meets a beauty named Sohan. Number 9, Ambassador's Daughter. The Ambassador's Daughter TV series story is about a legendary love between Sanjar and Nare. There is the daughter of an ambassador and Sanjar is the son of sharecrop farmer. Both of them are in love since childhood and have a dream to marry each other. Finally, they got married, but on the wedding night, it comes into the knowledge of Sanjar that Nare is a victim of rape. Number 8, Azal. In this TV series story, you will explore a revenge of simple boy who becomes a rich man exceptionally skilled at gambling, reading people and fighting after the betrayal of his trusted friends and the woman he loves. After betrayal, his best friends and love of his life, Umar returns with a new face, new identity and with a flawless revenge plan, and the new name was Azal. Number 7, Kurt Siyat and Shora. In this TV series, you will explore the adventure of two lovers who have broken away from their magnificent lives in Russia and have been dragged to Istanbul. Kursiyat is a womanizing lieutenant who is the first son of a rich crewman, landowner of Turkish origin. He is so handsome and successful. Shora, on the other hand, is the beautiful daughter of a noble Russian family. She is so naive and beautiful. Number 6, Hercai. Hercai is one of the best revenge and romantic Turkish TV series. Miran, who initiates to marry Rayhan to take revenge of his parents, it is hard to predict what is going next in this thrilling TV series, but it is the right choice in terms of spend quality time in front of TV screens. Number 5, The Promise. The girl in the story, Rayhan, is an orphan, lives with her uncle who takes promise to marry his son Amir, a rebel who prefers to take risks and fritter away his father's hard-earned money rather than work in the family business. He agrees to the marriage, but with his own promise, he wants to make life miserable for Rayhan to the extent that she will divorce him. Yet, as the torments begin, Amir starts to question why this innocent girl should suffer, while it is his father that he wants to punish. And as he softens, Rayhan sees a gentler side of him, something that she finds impossible to resist. Number 4, Mrs. Fazilat and her daughters. The story centers around Fazilat, mother of two girls named Hazal and AJ, who is eager to gain money by using her younger daughter AJ's modeling skills, while Hazal pursues a career as a sport coach. Far from her mother's ambition, she falls in love with a rich, spoiled man. Number 3, Ada Masali. The romantic comedy brings together the famous actor and actress Alp Navros and Aija Aishin Turan to run together. The story of the series revolves around a passionate love that will arise between Haziran and Poyraz. The intersecting paths of Haziran, a city businesswoman, and Poyraz, the handsome and helpful young man of the island. The love that will arise from the disagreement of two opposite characters. What's more, the series impressed the audience with its romantic story and magical island atmosphere. Number 2, Matter of Respect. In this story, you will explore the life of two brothers with totally different characters, Yeet and Emir, who wants to take revenge of their family from underworld in Istanbul. Yeet takes the route of underworld, whereas Emir takes the route of the rule of law. Two brothers' life also cross when they fall in love with the same woman, Sybil, and the story becomes complicated when Yeats starts to use Kubra as part of his father's revenge plan. Number 1. Black and White. It is the story about Asli, an upright and kind-hearted doctor who is often living in Istanbul with her Polish brother and gets intact in a kind of mafia situation. In order to live, she has to marry the lead enforcer of that mafia name for her, a cold-blooded killer with a wounded past. What happens when the woman who saves lives is captured by the man who takes them? Hopefully you will like to view this romantic drama series. That is for all for this video. Hope to see you back soon with more videos. Thank you so much for watching.